Crafty Angels, and welcome to Let's Get Organized. This is organized chaos right here. And remember, you always wear everything is made with love in every stitch. Now, I have these Dollar Tree containers that I want. This one says scraps on it. I'm going to leave the sign there, the little sticker. Okay, but this is what I'm going to do with my scraps. I'm going to put them by item in these little pouches, and whatever doesn't fit in here with all my scraps, including the ones in my zipper bags, they're going to get thrown away. Okay, so let's see what we can get done here. So I'm gonna keep these over here, and I'm gonna make little bitty sheets to go inside of them so I don't have to label the pouches, because I can reuse the pouches once they are emptied. Okay, so let's see what we can get done. Okay. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna sort it. I'm gonna put all the tiny pieces in here. Okay, this I can still use. We'll find something. This maybe. This maybe. Acetate we can still use, so we have plenty of acetate here. So what I'm gonna do is take one of my little pouches here and put my acetate in it. I want to have it to where I can actually seal the pouches, so when I put it in the container here, I will be able to seal it. So what I'm going to do is right here is trim that off. So I want everything to be able to fit in here. Like so. And we can put that aside to go, you know where. This we can keep. We just have to trim some of it down. It doesn't have to be perfect, because you're going to use it in another project anyway. Put that in your acetate bag or pouch. Now we have some music paper scraps here, and this we'll need. I don't need that. This I may need, so I'm gonna take that, keep that. What I want to try to do is when I make scrap pouches, okay, is I want to try to remember by putting a little paper, like a little note or something. Let me get my little notepad here, like this. Okay, I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna make a label for it also. So I'm gonna put like Tsunami Rose scraps. Okay. Like so. Then I'll take this, take it, put it in here. Okay, so that way in my scrap box, I know this is for Tsunami Rose. I'm going to slip that right underneath there.
I'm from the IRS.
Okay, so now we have these little book pages. So I'm going to put this in here. This I don't have to put an extra piece of paper. So that can go slip right underneath there. Little cards like this. This one I don't want. This one I'll keep. These don't want. No. And then we got painty papers. We're going to put all the painty papers together. Coffee dye paper. I don't remember where half of this pile came from, so I'm just going to put them all in one. Like so. And I'm going to take this and measure this one. Okay. Now I'm going to take my little trimmer here and trim it all down so it'll fit in the pouch. Okay, so do this like so. Okay, so this one's done. I don't have to make a label. So now we're going to get into these. I'm not going to keep. This I'm going to keep. Don't need a label. Just going to put it in here like so. Because I want my container, when I put that in here, they're going to lay like so. They're going to be sealed and laid in here to where if I want something, I don't have to literally dig through everything. I just go through these and they're done. I can find what I need easy. Okay, so these under here. Now we have these white napkin backs that come off of the napkins that we use in our projects and stuff. We're going to keep that because we don't know, we may need it. So we're going to fold these up, put those in here, and put that underneath here. This, no need. These, no need. So this is getting a little full here. So I'm going to take that and empty it into the recycling bin that I have underneath my desk. And I'm going to take these and stand them up. Okay, now we have some book pages we need no label for. I thought I had one back here. Yes, I do. So we're going to take these and add them to this one. This one is kind of full, so I'm going to seal that one with some Scotch tape. Like so. And that one can go in here like that. Okay. Put that back up there. I'm going to get back to the bases. Okay. This, no need. Fabric pieces, we need. So we are going to slip that in here. Put this piece in there. And this piece in there. Okay. So that one is done. This, no need. These, no need. This one, no need. No need. This one I'll keep. Envelopes, we can cut them in half. Like so. Okay. Put them in. Like that. Put it to the side. This, no need. No need. Now for this. This is shelf liner paper. Okay, so in order to make it fit into my thing here, I have to trim it down. So what I'm going to do is take my paper trimmer, like so. This piece, no need for it. And then we're going to trim that, put that in a little garbage bin. And we're going to take this and slip it right into this. That'll make it a lot easier. That's done. This, no need. We have the coffee dyed. So we need to get the coffee and tea and painting paper out. And we need to put that in here, like so. Actually, let me take them all out and put them all in one. That way it's easier for me to get it in there. Tuck them all together like so. And this one needs to be trimmed a bit, I see. So we're going to just trim it. There we go. Then slip this all back in here. Grab the flap, push that down, and we got that done. Okay, this is no need, this is no need. Oh, more painty paper. Only big pieces, small pieces like this, no. This one is okay. So we need to trim these down to fit. And these pieces, no need. Okay. So we got that. And we can seal this one because that one's is done. Don't want to put overload in it. So you got that. That one can go in here. Turn it that way. Put this back over here. This one, no need. These pieces, no need. No need. Keep that. This one, these, no need. That, no need. We're gonna doily, scrap doily, we're gonna put in here. This, nope, nope. Napkins, we have one already. Or do we need another one? Nope, we have one here. So we're gonna take this out and just put this right in here. Like so. And we can seal, nope we can't, because we have these that can go in there also. So let's put these in here. And seal that one. And that one can go in here. Like that. These, we're going to say no need. Until we can, when we open something, when we use something, we're going to, wait a minute, this has a name. This is Stamperia. So, we take a pouch. And we're going to use that. And we're going to put Stamperia in here. And as you can see, we need to trim it down. And I'm going to put the name Stamperia on a piece of paper. And slip that inside. That way when I use a piece of scrap from this pouch, I know it's Stamperia. Okay. We can keep, no, don't want to keep that. So let's clear our tray and put all that in there. Okay. Now this is colored paper, so we're going to put this with the wallpaper here because this is wallpaper. Okay. I'm going to put a little note in there stating what it is so I know. Like that. And take this and put it in here. But I see I need to trim this one down. So I'm going to pull it up a little. Actually, I'm just going to take it on my paper trimmer and trim it down. Put that in the little dish to the side of me. And my scissors over here. so they don't get lost. I'm going to put this in the wallpaper pouch. Like so. So now I have these all done. And this here, I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, so I'm going to put that under there. This I haven't decided either. This goes in the shelf liner book pouch here, so I'm going to write shelf liner on it. Okay, so that's how it goes. It went from being a hot mess to being a nice little cozy mess. Well, not cozy mess, but a nice little where we can find what we need faster. So all I'm going to do is take these and seal them. I'm going to put them back into the thing, and then I'm going to pull out another zipper bag, and I can still use these for things to fill them up. This one needs to be trimmed a little more. Put that in there. I want to seal these so it's easier. There we go. Actually, I'm going to end this right here. And thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be safe, be caring, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.